Artists, storytellers, beatmakers, this is the latest news, deals, and free plugins from the music production world. PreSonus has updated their Eris range of studio monitors. The range is divided into the Essential, Studio, and Pro series. On the more affordable end of the spectrum, you can get what they call media reference speakers that come in smaller sizes that also include Bluetooth and a headphones out. The Studio series comes in 4, 5, and 8-inch versions and feature a wider sweet spot and more low end. And then there's the Pro series, which they say is Atmos ready and has this really cool design with a tweeter inside the woofer. They sent me a set of speakers which we're going to unbox today. So stay tuned and I'll let you know what I think. Check it out. This is Flux, a prototype of a brand new instrument that plays like a theremin. This looks like a keyboard, but the Flux actually works differently. The theremin worked using your hand as the capacitor, but the Flux uses two magnetic balls that you hold between your fingers. And the interface underneath is a multipolar magnetic sensor that registers the positions and movements of the balls. Since the magnetic balls have two poles, you can change what you control by flipping the magnets over. The left side of the Flux gives you parameter controls like timbre. This is a prototype right now, so let's see if they make a production version available anytime soon. I'll keep you posted. Question of the week. Native Instruments with their new polyphonic aftertouch keyboard, Artiphon, Roly, Osmos, all of these give us new ways of expressive playing. With all the new instruments coming out that innovate the way we play, is the traditional piano keyboard no longer enough for you? Do you really want a keyboard that offers something more? Comment below. FL Studio is bringing stem separation right inside their DAW soon. The latest beta version of FL that you can download and try yourself, I'll link it below, lets you load any audio like a fully mixed song and then separate it into drums, bass, instruments, and vocals. So I threw it something I thought would be tough, but it did pretty well. Here's the original. And now the separated stems. Wow. Stem separation isn't new. Ripex and Serato have given it to us before, but having it right in your DAW is pretty cool. Great coming from FL, and you should have it soon. So the comments section of my S-Series Mark III video has been pretty lively. There were definitely some people excited for the new version of Native Instruments' top-of-the-line keyboard, and then there were the people who were disappointed, very vocally disappointed with the removal of the machine integration and the fact that Native Instruments didn't add more physical controls. There were some major improvements to contact and complete control integration, and you have to watch the full demo to get the full story. It's the last video I posted, I'll link it below. Sound on Sound recently previewed the new Karno sepia system, which uses analog hardware to process sound, but letting you control it in the digital realm. So brands that make things like compressors, preamps, and such can build these modules compatible with the sepia system. And Karno has the hosts that can be used for live sound, DAWs, and more to access the analog processing in these modules. This sounds like an open system that manufacturers can build into. So I'm guessing a company like Neve or SSL can create their own branded modules for this system, and we can have full digital control of truly analog hardware. Lots of promise in a system like this. We'll see the first system come out in 2024. I'll keep you posted. Okay, I've got several deals to share with you today, including some universal audio stuff. First, Izotope plugins are on sale on ADSR and Plugin Boutique right now. You can get the new Ozone 11 elements for $39, and they also have their bundles on sale as well. Even better though is the Korg plugin sale going on right now. You can get some classic Korg synths like the ARP, Triton, and others up to 50% off just until the end of this month. Links are below. Also, Beat Skills, Flashback, and Techno Keys plugins are 75% off right now, so under 20 bucks for any of these. If you buy anything from Plugin Boutique this month, you'll get Audio Modern Loop Mix Lite for free, and ADSR Sounds is giving away the Need 73 console EQ free with any purchase. How about hardware? Universal Audio's Sphere LX modeling mic is on sale, $200 off until the end of this month, and their Dream pedal is on sale until the end of this month as well. It gives you the sound of a classic amp and reverb in one gorgeous pedal. Links to everything I've mentioned in this video are below. Okay, we're getting to the unboxing and also a freebie at the end of this video, but before I get to those, here's a quick word from our sponsor, DistroKid. DistroKid is a simple and fast way to get your music onto Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, Pandora, pretty much everywhere, and DistroKid collects earnings for you when anyone plays or purchases your music. So don't keep sitting on those songs. Get them out there and get some plays. I've created 2 videos on DistroKid that will probably answer any questions you have. You can watch them right here. And if you're ready to sign up, use the link below to get 7% off your first year of membership. We're ready to unbox
PreSonus Aries Studio 5.
Here they are. Let's do it.
Hey, we're both unboxing at the same time.
Let's see who can do it first.
Oh, okay. You can't say that when you're like halfway.
Box in a box. Go.
I can't.
These boxes are really nice. Look at this design.
Why can
I like this.
Can I? Are we still racing?
Yes, we are.
Oh my god. Hey, I had a glitch. Okay. Ooh.
It's exciting. There you go. Done. Finished. First.
Man.
All right, I have to tell you a little story about these monitors. I started this YouTube channel with PreSonus Aries Studio monitors.
What?
Yes, this channel started with these monitors.
You know those small ones that like sound really good?
Yes.
Oh.
Not only that, so this YouTube channel was built in the first like couple years, was built on PreSonus Aries monitors, and I mixed all those songs on this. I even mixed the first song, the first music video that is on the channel. Undone was mixed on these, and now they have this brand new design, which I'm so excited about, and yours is upside down.
Of course it is.
Well, at least now you can see it from different angles,
yes,
different perspectives. You know, in case in your studio things are all upside down.
Here we are.
All right. These are the PreSonus Aries Studio 5. So they're the 5-inch version. They come in, I think they come in a 4.
Which part of it is 5 inches?
So that always refers to the woofer, the large part, the large speaker part here.
Okay.
I don't remember what size the tweeter is. Maybe we can add it down here somewhere. But
it's called X now.
X? What is X?
You said tweeter.
Okay, I didn't even get that. So these are the brand new ones. This is part of the studio line. There's also, I mentioned earlier in the video, there's a media reference speaker line, and then also the Pro line. Man, I wish we had the Pro line here because this looks so cool. But these are brand new too. You know, they're doing this like a little curve in the front.
Yeah,
now.
I was just gonna say that. I really like that. It's super cool because it's creating a light.
Is that in focus? Let me hide my eyes. And let's take a quick look at the back too. There's the back, there's what you can see. What do we have on the back? All right, so first we have the gain control, so that's input gain. Oh, you can also turn standby on and off, so these speakers have standby, which is cool, I always like that. Acoustic tuning, so you have mids and highs, then you have low cutoff, you have flat, 80 hertz and 100 hertz, and then acoustic space, you have settings for that. Different types of inputs, you have XLR, you have balanced and unbalanced as well. You have a power switch there, and that's about it.
Oh, it's completely identical.
Yes. I don't remember what the price of these ones are, but if you have a home studio, if you have a bedroom studio, I typically recommend 5-inch monitors. That's a good size for a bedroom size room. So let's plug them in and hear what they sound like. Got an interface ready here.
Hey, I found a dog down here.
What should we listen to?
Come on, Kyoto, what do you want to listen to?
Let's do the weekend song. I did the weekend song
that too.
Beats about to drop. Here we go.
Okay.
Oh, nice. First impressions.
Where's the vocals?
I'll put the vocals in. But my first impression is because I wanted to hear the instruments. Crystal clear.
Yes.
I mean, especially if you're listening to this, listen to the chorus part without that electric piano.
Okay. I've heard you making this song. I heard it in the video.
Yeah.
And just now I heard things you did to it that I didn't even hear.
Separation. The thing that's sticking out the most that I think is a big improvement from the previous model, the previous version, I hear separation a lot more. When that shaker, it is so clear to hear that shaker moving.
I mean, even more than that, some of the instruments, you could actually hear them.
You hear the movement.
Yeah, you hear the movement.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I was trying to do that with the shaker, and I honestly couldn't hear it on those speakers as well as I just heard it here. Now, it could also be because we're really close up to it.
He's talking about the barefoots back there.
Yeah.
We do need an upgrade on the barefoots.
Yeah. Maybe we need the big ones from PreSonus.
Then we'll really hear the shaker. Can we talk about the looks again? Because I cannot get my eyes off of this woofer.
Okay. What about it?
It's just so beautiful. It's got this like tinge, like
a little bit
sexy
of blue.
Black.
Bluish black.
Yeah, like a carbon fiber. Is it carbon fiber? Like, look.
It's got a little pattern to it, yeah.
Yeah, it's got a pattern. It's kind of shiny. It's giving a little texture. It makes it look really like cool and glam at the same time, you know?
By the way, it went into standby and these turned blue. The lights are now blue. That's cool. So see, it goes into standby. Tested. Works.
It works.
The PreSonus Eris Studio 5 monitors are $199 each. So...
Oh, that's not bad.
No, not bad at all.
Yeah.
Why do you think I started with the PreSonus Eris monitors for this channel? Because I was looking for something that was affordable, inexpensive, something that I could easily put up in a small space too. And
because I thought they would have been way more by the way it looks and how it sounds and stuff and the size.
They're very affordable, and I will honestly say that I think they've improved them a lot because I've tried the previous ones and I like these more. So there you go. If you're considering studio monitors, check these out. Thanks to PreSonus for sending them to us. And these are really good if you're just starting out and if you have a bedroom studio. I mixed on these. Once you learn these speakers, very easy to learn them, by the way, I think you'd be really happy with them. So thank you to PreSonus for sending them to us. And I wish you guys good luck with this new line of speakers.
Yes.
Yes? All right.
Wow, what a wild few months Sanjay and I have had. It's been tough, but despite those moments, Sanjay and I finally did it. We are uploading our stories on random topics on my YouTube channel. A lot of y'all have been asking for podcasts and discussions and more about us and our relationship and our life. Well, here it is. We talk about anything and everything, and it's always been part of our relationship. It's always fun to discuss things openly, whether it's serious or funny, uplifting, or just weird. Follow along and join our conversations because we want to include you. And hey, guess what? I already uploaded 2 episodes so far. So please subscribe and follow along, and let's get to our featured artist of the week. Or shall I say summer. Everyone, meet Faye Oyakawa. Faye is Brazilian and lives in Japan. Faye created the beat inspired by the fact that he believes that musicians can and should perceive sound and music in everything, even in everyday things such as kitchen utensils. He used Wave CR8 sampler to manipulate the samples he created by the utensils and put the baby audio spaced out to make the nice atmosphere. Such a creative idea and turned out amazing. Check out Faye Oyakawa's Instagram as he's been uploading a bunch of fun how-to videos, and also check out his latest EP, Floating Between Selves, on all music listening platforms. Thank you for watching and being such a huge support these past few months. Love you all and hope you've been making the music you love.
Okay, how about a freebie for this week? Playtone has released a new reverb called Flex Reverb. It's a plate reverb with a built-in graphic EQ. You can get it free using the link below. Hey, if you were wondering what all the fuss is over the new Focusrite Scarlett interface, check out my video demoing the new recording modes, the safe feature, and more. Watch it right here and keep making the music you love. Bye.